What's up, everybody? It's Kevin, Benson Beamers. We're just right here trying to give you guys a little knowledge of BMW. This car came in for a Misfire on cylinder number 5. We're gonna go ahead and take out the spark plugs. We've seen that it has never been done before, so we want to go ahead and swap out the coils and the spark plugs. And also, it had a code for an O2 sensor. The car was wasting a lot of gas. Here's a little view of the O2 sensors. As you can see, they have a lot of corrosion. It's a lot of burning a lot of fuel. We want to go ahead and swap out the upstream and the downstream. It's really bad. This one had oil, so we're gonna go ahead and recommend the valve cover because you can see oil on the spark plug. So these are the two codes that we were worrying about: ignition, cylinder 5, combustion, period outside of tolerance, O2 sensor heating before. We're gonna go ahead and clear this out. Client wants to get a copy of the report. We give it to them.